Tired of dust ruining your keyboard, laptop, or PC? This powerful cordless electric air duster is here to change the game. With an incredible 51,000 RPM, it blasts away stubborn dust from your devices in seconds, without needing any chemicals or traditional air cans. It comes cordless, making it ultra-portable. Take it to your office, your setup, your car, anywhere. And with 3 adjustable speed levels, you control exactly how much power you need. Oh, and did we mention the built-in LED light? Yep, now you can clean even the darkest corners of your gadgets. Powered by a 4000 mAh battery, this beast gives you up to 30 minutes of strong cleaning on a single charge. And when it runs low? Just plug it in with the Type-C fast charger and you're good to go again. Say goodbye to disposable air cans, and hello to the smart, eco-friendly, reusable solution. Your gadgets deserve better. Upgrade your cleaning game today.